Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest buying decisions. Today, we're comparing two popular drones, the Holystone HS175D and the Holystone HS720G. Which one will come out on top? Let's find out. First up, let's talk cameras. The HS175D comes equipped with a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Reviewers love its good picture quality, making it a great choice for recreational use. On the other hand, the HS720G also boasts a 4K camera, but takes it a step further with a 2-axis motorized gimbal and electric image stabilization. According to reviewers, this makes for incredibly smooth and stable footage, perfect for aerial photography and videography. Next, let's talk about the flight experience. The HS175D offers up to 46 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries, which reviewers appreciate for its stability and ease of control. However, the HS720G, while offering a shorter flight time of 26 minutes, features powerful brushless motors and can reach up to 999 meters. Reviewers highlight its smooth flight and high-altitude capabilities, making it a dream to fly. When it comes to design and portability, the HS175D is a lightweight champ at under 250 grams, meaning no FAA registration is required. Reviewers find it easy to carry and perfect for travel. The HS720G, though slightly heavier at under 380 grams, also folds up nicely and comes with a carrying case. Reviewers praise its build quality and portability, making it a great travel companion as well. Now, let's get into intelligent functions. The HS175D features Follow Me, path flying, and gesture selfies, which reviewers find very user-friendly and fun. The HS720G ups the ante with additional features like Tap Fly, Point of Interest, and safety features such as emergency stop and smart return to home. Reviewers love its advanced functionalities and reliable performance, likening it to a high-end drone at a competitive price. Both the HS175D and HS720G receive high praise from reviewers. The HS175D is recommended for beginners due to its ease of use, good picture quality, and stability. Meanwhile, the HS720G is celebrated for its advanced features, smooth flight experience, and excellent build quality, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. So there you have it. The Holystone HS175D and HS720G both offer unique strengths, whether you prefer the lightweight, longer-lasting HS175D or the feature-packed, smooth-flying HS720G. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest product comparisons. Product links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and keep flying high and buying smart.